Hey guys, what's up? It's Danielle. So welcome back to my channel. You can probably tell just from the sound of my voice, but I am sick right now. So I apologize if you hear coughing or any other gross sounds. It's not my intention, but today we have a Pipsticks unboxing, whatever you want to call it. We're going to open this up. This is for August, and I'm just kind of curious to see what it's going to be. Probably back to school stuff, which, oh no, it's not. But that would be right up my alley since I am starting my next class pretty soon here. So I've shown this before, but they always give you like this little booklet, and it kind of shows you, you know, like the, I don't know, just a cute little book. Kind of shows you some different stuff. And I don't know why I thought that there would be like an explanation or like a recap of what's in here. But anyways, let's get into it. All right. I'm going to start with this. That's really cute. So first of all, we have this postcard with, looks like a pigeon or a seagull. Seagull. It's a seagull. But it's really pretty. It's kind of iridescent. If you can see, you can write in your own message. And that's, honestly, that's like really, really cute. Feels like kind of beachy. Then we have, let me turn on this light so you guys can see a little bit better. If there's any glares, I apologize. But then we have this, which is kind of like, it's called Bottled Whimsy. This kind of reminds me of like, what are they called? Terrariums a little bit. Yeah, it's really cute though with the mushrooms and everything. It's very whimsical. Then we have, this is really cute, a whole bunch of animals that have a little unicorn horn tied onto them. That's adorable. Oh my god. That's really cute. I like the little toucan. And I like that these colors are a little bit more muted. This reminds me of Ice Age. It's called Girlfriends. But this reminds me of Ice Age. No, not Ice Age. What am I saying? It reminds me of Finding Nemo with the seagulls where they're like, mine, mine. That's really cute though. I love the little hat. Oh my god. Okay, you guys know why this, yep, this right here is my shit right here. The lemons. Oh my god, that is so cute. Wow, I love that. I love that so much. That's actually really adorable. Then there is this one, which feels par for the course for like late summer, because you got strawberries and you have like daffodils and all these other flowers. And I guess not necessarily, but you know, feels kind of like late summer-ish. Oh, I like this. Daffodils, you know how you like make a wish with the little, whatever they're called. Then, excuse me, we have this, which would be really cute, like if you had Happy Mail or something like that. Yeah, it says letters are better. That's really cute. I like the little kitty and the bunny popping out. Then we have this one, which I like because this is very indicative of where I'm at in life right now. School and work at the same time. So I love this though. That's really cute. I guess this is like throwback stuff is what they were trying to say. Oh, here we go. We got a cat coming in. Excuse you, sir. Excuse you. Please do not show them your booty hole. Thank you. truer words can never be spoken, to be quite honest. All right. This is kind of stuck together a little bit, but this is so cute. Okay, so this is called Waffly Good. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? This feels very like fall, winter. Side note, my mom actually makes a really good like blueberry compote for pancakes, and I request it every year when I go home for Christmas because it's that freaking good. Then we got some owls. That's really pretty. I like the hollow on there. Aw, this is cute. 50s diner stuff. Very Grease. I like this. Neon City Life. I was planning on going to New York with my mom, like for our birthdays this year. And then I was like, I don't want to spend the money because I bought my plane ticket home. So I think I might save that for next year. And that would be like, this would be perfect for that. But anyways, then we have some cuckoo clocks, which actually my parents had one. And then I think my brother destroyed it when he was a baby. But my grandparent, my last living grandparent, my grandpa still has one that I think my parents got for him and my grandma. And then this, oh my God, I love this so much. This kind of reminds me of, not a whole lot, but a little bit of the kitchen from A Christmas Story, you know. I actually have a picture of, there's like a picture of me from many, many eons ago at this point. I think I was about 19. And my mom took me to the, what was it, Christmas Story house in Cleveland. And every time I see a sink like that, that's what I think of. This is like really cute. So these are all like throwbacks to the past couple of years. This is actually really adorable. I like this. Sorry about the cat, but anyways, here you get some little feet pics, courtesy of Bokki, you know. Join his only paws. He doesn't have one, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I apologize because I'm under the weather. So I'm not usually as upbeat as I normally am when I film these, but at least you got to see little kitty tummy, little kitty paws. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye, guys.